Hey everyone, so I'm back. I got two squishy packages. Okay, so I don't know exactly where these are from, but we'll find out once we open them. Yeah, so I'm filming this April 1st. Well, April 1st. But I got these packages yesterday. I just haven't had the time to open them, so let's get started. So let's start with the small one first. And is there a seller in here? No, these must be from, if I were to guess, these are probably from eBay or, yeah, these are probably from eBay since they don't have a name on it, but I got these two panda squishies. So I'll take this one out. So here is what they look like. I think I may have got them on Banggood. Banggood or New Check. Or, and I'm sorry if you hear background noise, it's just my dad speaking. We just watched a movie called Sing, so. Here is the first one. I know these ones are not from eBay. They must be from either eBay, no, not eBay, Banggood or New Check. But like, look how squishy that is. And it's just so this is an orange panda bun. And this is the pink one. Like they are super squishy. They actually don't have a bad smell. These seem to be solid in because I have a tendency of pulling these out. Which I probably will. They're cheap squishies anyway, so I really don't care if I defect them. It's hard. I just don't like feeling this little thing inside of them. It just feels weird. But I don't think I'm gonna get this one out to city. But they're kind of sticky. Um, as you can tell, they're like kind of sticky. But they're small. They're cute. I got some more panda buns. So I gotta show you my whole collection, which I probably will. But the next is this big package. And I have an idea of what kind of what's in here, but I'm not 100%. And I'm still looking for the avocado squishy. The avocado not big. What is it, like for bread? Okay, so I believe this is from New Check, I think. But why did they only send me two stuff? I thought I ordered a bunch more than just two. I thought I ordered like 4 things. Huh, okay. Well, I got 2 of my squishies that I ordered. Because I'm pretty sure I ordered more than 2. And that's these 2. So I will show you the apple one first. I think this is a new chick, I think. But it has this apple. I love the packaging. See where is this packaging? I'm not gonna keep the packaging anyway, so I will just take the apple out. Doesn't come with a ball chain or anything. Like, okay, this one's broken. Yeah, so it comes with this, but this is broken, so I'll just leave it off. It smells just like any other squeeze toy. It has a few defects in it. So you can tell a little bit of defect there. It's actually really squishy compared to the fact that it's not silver. It's like some of the Eye of Bloom apples are. It's actually like really, like, look at that. It is extremely Like, it's so soft. I can't wait to squeeze this thing. I have to squeeze the sucker out of this thing. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Okay, so that's one. Number two is in this package. And I for sure ordered one on eBay, but it like never showed up. So I ordered another one. Still don't know where I bought this from. But here it is. It's like a little milk bottle. It has red milk. Let's see. Wow. How squishy that is. It has like no smell to it, but it's so squishy, so soft. It's almost like it almost feels like almost kind of like what's a really soft marshmallow. So that is all the squishies I got. I got these four squishies. I think there is another package coming. There has to be because I swear I ordered like four squishies on that squishy site. At least I think I did. But otherwise, I got all these squishies and I'm so happy. And I can't wait to do more videos because I got another one coming up. And yeah, so please stay tuned for our future videos. I will be doing a all my squishies because I'm supposed to do one for March, but I kind of ran out of time and I actually ordered these in March, but they didn't come until end of March, and I just wasn't up to do it last night. So maybe maybe I'll do it today, and I'll just say it's for March. You never know, but here they are. Plus, I don't know if I'm gonna get any in April, so maybe I'll just wait until I have time in April. Maybe do it because I'll probably wait until my squishy box comes in, and if any other squishies come in, because I don't know if I'm gonna order any in April, but I can't stop squishing this apple. I think this apple is gonna be like my squeeze toy for right now. So I'm gonna put these off to the side. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.